Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are currently looking for software engineer opportunities, especially in the top companies, today's video is going to be super helpful for you people. I found two openings from American Express and GE Healthcare, and honestly, both of them look amazing for anyone with experience in software development, backend, APIs, cloud, or even product engineering. So, in the next couple of minutes, I will quickly walk through both the roles, who can apply, which one might be a better fit for your career goals. So let's get into the video. Okay, let's talk about first role from American Express. This is for software engineer role, and as you already know, American Express is one of the biggest names in fintech and payments space. Now, why this role interesting? Because working in companies like this means you will mostly likely to be dealing with things like backend applications, APIs, scalable services, secure applications, and high volume transaction platforms. For anyone coming from background in Python, Java, Fast API, SQL, microservices, or cloud, this is definitely something worth applying for. And the best part is having a brand name like American Express on your resume adds a lot of value. It really helps when you plan to move into other companies later. Now coming to the second role from G Healthcare. This is also a software engineering opening, and personally, I feel this is really strong opportunity if you want to work in enterprise product development and cloud-based applications. Here is the focus is more on building and maintaining software applications, services, and platforms, specifically in healthcare technology space. And honestly, health tech is growing so fast right now. So if you get experience in this domain, it can be open doors to future opportunities in product companies, enterprise cloud roles, and even AI driven healthcare systems. Now, the big question is, which one should you apply for? My honest suggestion, apply to both. But if you are interested more towards fintech, APIs, transaction, product companies, and then Express is the good choice. If you are more interested in cloud systems, enterprise engineering, and healthcare tech, then go for GE Healthcare. And also, one small tip before applying: please don't use same generic resume. Try to tailor your resume using keywords from the job descriptions like backend development, APIs, cloud, SQL, microservices, debugging, and scaling systems, something like that. This can be really improve your ATS chances. That's it for today, guys. If you want, in the next video, I can help you to understand how to tailor your resume specifically for these two roles or any other applications for other jobs also. Just comment resume below and I will make that for you. All the best for your applications, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.